With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so today's question is evaluate integration root 2 1 plus sin x minus pi by 4 divided by root 2 minus cos mod x plus sin mod x dx with the limit minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So first of all, we are going to make it in a difference, so that it will be minus pi by 4 to 0 first of all, and then it would be 0 to 3 by 4, the same function. So I can write the same function, that is root 2 1 plus sin of x minus pi by 4 divided by root 2 minus cos mod x plus sin of mod x dx. Plus similarly we have just split it out, so this will be 0 to 3 pi by 4 with the same function. So I can write here the same function here. Now minus pi by 4 to 0, then what will be root 2 as it is 1 plus sin x minus pi by 4 as it is divided by, we are going to open it, so root 2 as it is minus cos of mod x. In the limit minus pi by 4 to 0, cos of mod x will be, the x will be positive only, so you can say that cos x, plus here we have negative sign only. Similarly sin x will be what? Sin x will be negative, so you can say that it will be minus of sin x dx. Similarly 0 to 3 pi by 4 is the limit, so again putting root 2 1 plus sin of x minus pi by 4 as it is divided by root 2 as it is minus up to 0 to 3 pi by 4, x here with the cos is positive, so you can say that minus of cos x with a negative sign as usual. But sin x also positive, so you can say that plus sin x dx. Now from that we are going to take root 2 as a common, so minus pi by 4 to 0, taking root 2 common, here it always like sin x minus of pi by 4, it is as usual. Here you have taken root 2 as a common, so left out with 1 minus cos x and minus of sin x. Here you left out with this. Similarly 0 to 3 pi by 4, you have root 2 1 plus sin of x minus pi by 4 divided by taking root 2 common, 1 minus this cos x, so cos x, this will be what? When you take root 2 common from here, so here you have 1 by root 2 also, 1 by root 2 left out. Similarly here 1 by root 2 minus plus of 1 by root 2 sin x dx. So when you take root 2 common, this will be minus 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x, and root 2 here, so it will be 1 only. Similarly with this. Now as you know that cos a plus cos b minus sin a plus sin b is what? Nothing but identity. So that is what? By using the identity, this is what? Sin pi by 4, and this is what? Cos pi by 4. Because sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So you can say that sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is what? Sin of x minus y. See, like here you have cos of x minus y, where x is what? X, and y is what? Pi by 4. That is pi by 4 or 1 by root 2. So when you put here, you will be like minus pi by 4 to 0 as it is. It will be 1. Root 2 is cancelled. So you have 1 plus sin x minus pi by 4 divided by, you have here 1 minus of, this can be written as cos x minus pi by 4 by the identity dx integration we have, plus integration 0 to 3 pi by 4. Similarly you have 1 plus sin of x minus pi by 4 divided by, here also you can write 1 plus as it is, this will be sin of x minus pi by 4, because this will be sin pi by 4 minus x, so taking negative common, this will be positive here, dx as it is. Now you can see that this whole term will be cancelled out, and you're only left out with this. So you can say that minus pi by 4 to 0 integration, this is integration 1 upon 1 minus cos of x minus pi by 4, that is 1 upon this plus sin x upon this. So you can say that dx plus integration again minus pi by 4 to 0, that is the limit is same. This can be written as sin of x minus pi by 4 divided by 1 minus cos of x minus pi by 4. And this is what? Only 1. So you can say that integration of 1 will be x only, and with the limit of 3 pi by 4 and 0. So this is what we have now. Now you can write this as minus pi by 4 to 0 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is here also. Now cos x minus pi by 4 can be written as 1 minus 2 So you can write here minus 1 plus 2 sine square x minus pi by 4 by 2. Here. How? Because as you know that cos 2x is what? Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. Then cos x will be 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. So what will be cos of x minus pi by 4? It will be 1 minus 2 sine square x minus pi by 4 by 2. So that by using this we have written this. Now similarly, let 1 minus cos of x minus pi by 4 is equals to t. This is what something's t. Then we can say that when you differentiate, it will be sine of x minus pi by 4 dx is what is dt. So when you put here, it will be what? It will be plus of log 1 minus, that is integration of this. So integration will be sine of integration of this what? Because we need to find the integration. The integration of sine x minus pi by 4 dx will be log of 1 minus cos of x minus pi by 4, and with the limit 0 to minus pi by 4 here, plus this is what is x, so you can put here 3 pi by 4 directly, because the limit is what? 3 pi by 4 and minus 0, so you have only 3 pi by 4 here, and this is just for the sake of understanding. Now this is what is your I. This is what is your I. Now you have taking 1 by 2 common, because 1 is cancelled. So from here you can take 1 by 2 common, minus pi by 4, 0, integration. This can be written as sine square. 1 by sine square x can be written as cos square x, cosec square x. This can be written as cosec square x minus pi by 4 by 2 dx. Plus putting here the value, that is 0 and minus pi by 4, you have log of 1 minus 1 by root 2 minus log of 1 minus 0. This can be written as plus 3 pi by 4 as it is. Now we are going to integrate here. So this will be I is equals to minus 1 by 2 cot of x by 2 minus of pi by 8 with a limit 0 to minus of pi by 4 plus log of, by solving this you have taking LCM, this will be root 2 minus 1 by root 2, and log of 1 is nothing but 0 plus 3 pi by 4 as it is. Now this can be written as I is equals to minus 1 by 2 as it is, cot of, this can be written as pi by 8 minus cot of pi by 4, because when you have this as open bracket, it will be x by 2 minus pi by 8, and when you put the value also, it will be like this only. So this is why putting the value here. So when you put 0, it will be pi by 8 only, and with a negative sign cancel out, and when you put pi by 4, it will be like this, plus log of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 3 pi by 4. So now cot pi by 4 is nothing but 1. So putting that value, you have I is equals to minus 1 by 2 cot of pi by 8 as it is. This can be written as plus 1 plus log of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 3 pi by 4. And that is what. After that you can write by multiplication. You have minus cot pi by 8 by 2 minus of 1 by 2 by multiplying minus 1 by 2 inside the bracket plus log of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 3 pi by 8, because we have multiplied minus 1 by 2 inside the bracket. So this is what is your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.